Today we're unboxing and reviewing the Lenovo Legion C700 streaming cloud handheld console. The packaging includes the console itself, a charging cable, and a user manual. What do you think of the C700's appearance? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. In terms of ports and buttons, the C700 is quite well equipped, supporting TF card expansion and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Not only does it have 3 customizable buttons on the front, but there are also 2 customizable buttons each on the top and back. Beyond the rich customizable button functionality, the C700 also features an active cooling fan. The quick settings window allows you to configure performance mode and select fan mode. In terms of size, the C700 is much more portable than the Legion Y700 5th generation plus a controller. The App Store alone shows that Legion really wants to create a good handheld console, specifically including an App Store that supports controller operation. Regarding cloud gaming, the C700 is deeply compatible with Tencent Safari, and Tencent Cloud Gaming has also opened a dedicated channel for Legion users, allowing them to enjoy a truly ultimate gaming experience. Many games on Tencent Cloud do not require downloading and do not occupy local storage. Clicking on a few games, it's not just cloud gaming. The C700 streaming performance is also quite excellent. I played some games using Huawei streaming, and in the most basic Wi-Fi environment, the latency was almost always below 10. I also tried streaming Steam and PS5, and I found the PS5 streaming performance to be excellent as well. Regarding emulators, I tried both PS2 and PS3, and they ran smoothly without any issues. For Android mobile games that don't support gamepad controls, the C700 also has a gamepad button mapping function. The C700 features a 7.82-inch IPS LCD screen with a 1920 by 1080 resolution and a standard 16:9 aspect ratio. It includes a 120Hz refresh rate, a 180Hz touch sampling rate, and a peak brightness of 500 nits. Because it relies on streaming rather than processing heavy PC games locally, Lenovo was able to keep the device relatively compact. It measures 14.9mm thick and weighs 556 grams, making it nearly 300 grams lighter than standard Windows-based gaming handhelds. Inside, the handheld operates on a MediaTek Dimensity 7400 processor. Buyers can choose between configurations with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, or 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, both of which support microSD expansion. It is powered by an 8000 mAh battery that charges via a USB 2.0 Type-C port. The battery can last up to 9 hours during streaming, though actual battery life will vary based on screen brightness, volume, and network conditions. For inputs, Lenovo is using an Xbox-style layout. The C700 includes TMR magnetic resistance joysticks with RGB lighting rings and Hall effect linear triggers. Alongside the standard ABXY face buttons and an 8-way D-pad, the device features additional customizable rear and shoulder buttons, LC1/RC1 and LC/RC, for mapping complex controls. It also includes dual rotor motors for vibration feedback and a 6-axis gyroscope. The handheld runs on Android 16 and connects via Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6E allows the device to use the 6 GHz band, which generally provides a more stable connection for streaming. The software interface includes a quick access menu that lets users adjust controller mapping, analog sensitivity, fan speed, and screen refresh rates without exiting their current game. The Legion C700 will be available in a single Ice Soul white color option. The handheld is priced at 2,199 yuan, $327, and will be available starting September 8th.